Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to talk about the 4 updates that Meta announced. One of them was the Andromeda, but which are the other 3? So, it's not gonna be a huge video. I'm reading here from X from Jason Yim. Everyone talks about Andromeda, but it's actually one of the 4 updates that Meta rolled out. Here's the 4 things that Meta overhauled on their ad infrastructure. 1. Meta GEM, Generative Ads Recommendation Model. This is what GEM stands for. Is Meta's new super brain that can read an entire library of books in seconds, understand the relationship between all the characters, remember every single detail, and can connect all the details instantly. In short, it reads the minds of your customers, figures out what they want next week before they even know it, and shows them the exact right product at the perfect moment. So basically, it's just one model that it's actually able to predict what people will need. I had this idea that Meta is doing this already anyway, because humans are creatures of habit and routine. So if I'm spending my money until the 18th, Meta knows not to target me until I get paid again, and so on, and many more other things that I believe that it's checking my behavior all the time, my routine, and then based on that it's taking decision on what kind of things it's going to show me. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my Facebook ads course. It took me 6 months of video editing everything and 3 months of video shooting. And because of that, I have created the best Facebook ad course in the world. Inside, you're going to find super advanced information, but information also for beginners. It takes you by the hand in order to teach you how to do Facebook ads from the beginner level to super advanced level. It has inside Loom videos from cost caps, speed caps, Loom videos from CBO, ASC optimization. It has chosen 5 sessions, inner circle sessions, and it has a lot of theory with whiteboard, also strategies that are working all of these years, things that I have developed, things that I know that are working because I have spent millions and millions on the platform. Currently, I'm spending between 5 and 10 million every month, sometimes it's even more, across 30 accounts, and I have access to many more. So I know what is currently working and all the latest trends, and this is what I'm doing inside the course. I'm showing you live ad accounts with real spend and what is working right now. And if you want, you can click the link below, you can go and you can check some videos that I have open free for you so that you can check if you like the course or not and decide if you want to buy it or not. I will see you there. Then we have Meta Lattice. Before this update, we had many small libraries dedicated to an individual topic, like history, and librarians who were an expert in that one topic. Now, all those small libraries are in one giant library that the librarian now knows all the different topics. In short, it combines all the knowledge into one certain brain. It sees the entire customer journey from the first scroll on Reels to the final click on your website, improving ad relevancy. We're not going to analyze this so much. Then we have the Meta Andromeda that we have analyzed. The system enables 10,000 times X increase in the complexity of models used for ads ranking. It allows Meta to pick the right creative out of the millions to deliver more personalized ads to the user scrolling Reels this very second. In short, it doesn't just know you like shoes, it knows you are eyeing red flip-flops for a beach trip next week. We have analyzed in other videos what is the Andromeda update because everybody was talking about it. I wanted to focus on the other 3 on this video. So let's go on the 4th. For me, this is the most important and we have all experienced it. Before you know how you bought a stay at a ski resort and then keep seeing ads for ski resorts, we all have seen that. For example, I go for a trip to Italy and then I'm seeing all the time ads about trips to Italy. And I was always thinking, what's such a waste, you know? And with this update, you would start seeing ads for ski equipment, lift tickets, or ski luggage. In short, design your product ecosystem for LTV to upsell customers on complementary products. All of these combined are what enables more personalized ads and improved advertiser performance. This is going to help us have sales from people that have already used one product. They're going to be targeted with other products that they're going to buy, instead of all of this madness that you lost the sale and they still see ads for something that they have already taken. Now, because everybody talks about it and says that the Andromeda has changed everything and all of that.
Erase erased.
Yes, it changes a lot of things, but in my opinion, it's a very good update. It's an update that's going to make things much better and smarter, the algorithm, so that it can find more clients for us. The thing that a lot of people are using it just to say that it's going to destroy us or all that.
The world is going to end tomorrow at dawn.
Oh, nuts.
No, we are having a lot of outages because of the changes that they are doing. And this is a chart over here that is showing that the outages that we had on the last period were abnormal. But this is just problems on the technical side that are going to be resolved, and the algorithm is going to be stronger and the whole platform is going to be stronger, in my opinion. Now, if you want to learn how to do Facebook ads in a professional level, understanding what you're doing and not just seeing a video that is talking about Andromeda is changing the game and you're afraid of the next day, if you want to know and be certain and be sure of what you're doing, watch my course. It's on 50% discount for this Black Friday, and I think that you're going to be benefited a lot because you are going to learn Facebook ads from a deeper level without depending on the different changes that Meta is going to do. Second thing, I'm going to keep updating it so you have lifetime access. You will never have information that's not updated. And yes, we have been talking in this channel for this kind of things with Andromeda update and all of the diversification of creatives 2 or 3 years ago, because this is what was happening on the ad accounts. I would see it on the ad accounts much earlier from this update. Also, the Andromeda is here since 2014. It's not something that came out now. If you want someone who is super updated, but he's also seeing things inside the ad accounts, so he's proposing you to do things that are working now inside ad accounts without an ego, just with what is working on the ad accounts, go for the course. Also, I have my mentorship program, but right now it's full, so there is no point about discussing this because it's Q4 and everybody wants to run ads by my side with their accounts. Maybe there are spots available after January. We will see how many of these people are going to continue after the Q4. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.